summer is practically here in Texas, Mother Nature had a different message for parts of North Texas early Wednesday morning. Some areas took a heavy pounding during the storm that rolled in. The storm brought baseball and even grapefruit-sized hail.
It just started sounding like pellets, and then it got louder.
After midnight, the National Weather Service declared the storm severe, sending out warnings to Denton and Collin County. But Coppell was one of the worst areas hit. Cynthia Schultz, who lives in Coppell, says the falling hail caused glass to hit her daughter in the face.
She got in the car in the attempt to try to move it. I don't know where she thought she was going. Sitting in the passenger seat, the baseball size hit her, and part of the shard of the glass just hit her in the face, in her hair. I mean, it was just a mess.
People all over the area were on Twitter showing off their atmospheric souvenirs. For some people, this may look vaguely familiar because just last year, the city of Little Elm was drowned in a hailstorm, causing major damage to cars and school buses. But some of those ice bombs don't compare to what fell from the sky on Wednesday. And this doesn't match up to the reportedly largest sized hail to ever fall, which has been compared to a baseball, a softball, and even a basketball. It was actually this nearly 2-pound, 8-inch wide ball of ice that came raining down in South Dakota back in 2010, making it about the size of a soccer ball.
Incoming!
Let's hope that's the last of the hailstorms for a while, so we can head into summer full speed ahead.